How to edit menu items on Shopify. Hi there, today we will be learning on how you'll be able to edit your menu items on your Shopify online store. So you can actually see it here. For example, we will preview our store here. You can see this is a menu item, and what we will do is change that or edit that for you. So what you can do is go to your homepage and go to the sales channel and click on your online store under themes. Just click on customize and you'll be routed to this page where you'll be added your online store. But in order for us to change the menu items or edit the menu items, we need to go back to our dashboard. And instead of going to themes, we need to go to the navigations. That's still under the online store and is just right below the themes option. That's below pages or between pages and preference. When you click on navigation, you'll be able to see the different menus. What you click is main menu, and here this is where you do the edits. Either you can add a menu item or you can delete the menu item. You can simply click on add a new item, and on the right side panel of the screen, that's where you input the name of the menu item and the link, or you can definitely choose the default menu items that you can choose here on Shopify. So once done, you can actually drag and drop the different menu items depending on how you'd like to arrange them. And once you're satisfied with it, you can actually just go ahead and click and save. And you just need to refresh the website or your online store, and you will now have the menu items edited. Here. So, for example, we will preview the new website or the online store, and you can see that we have now edited the menu items on our online store. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.